How to fix WhatsApp backup stuck? Well, are you trying to back up your chats on WhatsApp but it has been stuck for quite a while now? Well, here is how you can fix it. First, make sure that the internet connection that you are using is stable and strong. So you want to make sure your internet connection is properly working. Also, you can try and switch in between networks if the internet is the issue. Also, restart the app. So if you have opened up the app and the backup is running, you can simply close the app. And once you close the app, what you want to do is you want to proceed to open it up again and head into settings and continue the backup. Now also ensure that your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version, and if these steps don't work, you can clear the app's cache, free up space on your cloud storage that you are trying to back up on. For if you're using Android, you'll be backed up to Google Drive, so make sure you have enough storage for your Google Drive cloud, and also make sure if you are on your iPhone, make sure you have enough storage on your iCloud. Also, what you can do is you can reduce the backup size to include fewer videos as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.